Is Lucas coming?
No.
He wants to come.
That's fine.
Okay?
Hurry up.
Okay. Before the power goes off.
Don't drain that. You might need that tonight to run some lights.
Yeah, you see this?
Now the power's coming off.
Oh, if I found the power going off, that would be awesome.
Yeah, well, don't drain that battery because you might need it.
Here. That. Yeah. That's true. Because that battery doesn't have no much power if you keep using it all the time.
Well, what else I'm going to use at camp?
Where's my bag? Oh, here we go. Shithead.
Ah, you're wearing pants.
Yes, I am.
He's wearing long pants.
Wow.
It's hot.
How hot it was. No, Lucas. I'm telling Lucas because he was outside when you got the hot on this.
It's fine. Right now it's not.
I look at tornado.
Probably going to hit like somewhere in Gray County.
Where are we going?
For dry.
Did we get everything from upstairs and downstairs? Lock that door.
Okay, go for the garage. Power's going to go off, I swear. You can hear the rain.
Are you sure we should go out? Waiting for that?
Get an umbrella.
Like what?
I would just sooner stay here.
Open the van for us, Daddy.
It's open.
No, open the door.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want this getting soaking, otherwise it's the
Get
power.
in. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Look, it's already getting wet. Now move it. And you got Liam in there too. How the hell is he going to get in the back?
I don't know.
Don't break off my console. Move it.
Where's the
Hello.
puke?
It's
Lovely
in
weather.
the red car.
All right, you want to shut the door? Get the damn thing in the car and shut the door.
Still recording. Just water everywhere. What did you forget?
Nothing. When I went to the beach, I didn't take all my glasses case. Nor my,
My hat is still in here.
it's right here.
Oh, Liam needs to come in here.
Here, we'll get it.
Hey, if we were lucky, we may spot a tornado.
I don't want to spot the tornado.
Shit. Okay, Liam needs to get in.
We're in here. What?
Give me an umbrella. I'm on one sec. Where dog is?
Dog's coming.
Let the dog in.
Oh. Oh, you bastard.
I'll close the door. Mama, close the door.
That's Alan.
No, yours. You closed it lately.
Lights will go off eventually.
Do you want to get the disc?
Side door's open.
Daddy's door's open.
I know, if you can't see with your blind little eyes.
Now, Lucas!
Why is this light open?
I want to ask you.
Is that switch on door?
No, it's not.
We can just leave Lucas alone.
Is it on doors? Or on just light on?
Which one did you get?
There, you happy now? The second video of a thunderstorm I filmed inside a vehicle.
One, Daddy.
You're not deep right. Oi. Let's open the main roof, shall we?
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, the rear AC is on. Turn it on if you want.
Lucas, your friend called.
Oh yeah, Colin.
When the phone.
Just a few minutes ago. Here.
Why?
That's not a good
I
idea.
don't know. Ask. Here.
Why just on the facing
What's
seat?
your-
I actually don't feel the
Hello?
heat.
Hi.
Not heat.
No,
It's not heat,
conditioning.
Liam.
But that's a
Air
phone.
conditioning. I don't feel the air conditioning. I
Because
don't
he-
feel
It's
the
on
Alex
both
don't have it
settings.
Turned on.
On both settings.
Alex don't have it turned on.
Alright, it's on.
It is on, but I just don't.
Shh.
Liam, shut up.
I don't.
Lucas is on the phone.
I don't want.
Shut your gob.